Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be in the beautiful community of the Colony at 20 Mile. And I'm joined by my friend Terry of David Weekley Homes, and she's going to show us one of their magnificent models here today. So thanks for having us, Terry.
Thank you for being here today. We are in the San Vincente model today, and this floor plan is 2820 total square foot with a bonus room option, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and let's go in and check it out.
I love this entryway. I love the huge front porch, Terry. That's something that really gets you as you walk up.
And it's a beautiful open concept. As you can see, you come in the door and you see straight into the outside. 10-foot ceilings throughout. It's one of the included features in this model.
I love the high ceilings because it really gives you that grand feeling as you walk in. And look at this space. So Terry, is this a flex space that you've turned into an office over here?
Yes, so this is a flex space which could become a study, it could become just a family movie area where you can have a screen TV as well as a desk area for homework. You can enclose it with French doors or barn door or leave it open as you see it here.
And that's the thing, when you come talk to Terry, I want you to ask her about all the different options that you can do with this particular floor plan, because there really is endless. There's so much with your lifestyle, and depending on how many kids you have or the lifestyle stage you're in, this really is a terrific floor plan. So look at this, a great powder room.
Yes, so the home has a half bath for your guests. This is the laundry room right over here.
Terrific laundry room. Everyone knows, love a laundry room. I promise you this one is long but also very wide. So you can comfortably be in here, folding your laundry, doing everything. And I do like the window in here, by the way.
Nice window for natural light. And here we have a hall closet. So great storage in this home. Tons of storage. And as we come in through here, you have 2 bedrooms that share a bath. And for those that are looking for a mother-in-law suite, this area could also be converted into a mother-in-law suite where you can have one larger suite with a larger bathroom, almost like a second smaller master in the home.
I'm glad you mentioned that, Terry, because again, so many people always come into the Welcome Center and ask us, you know, what builders, who does the mother-in-law suites? And I'm glad that we can say David Weekley Homes can provide you that if that's what you need.
Absolutely. We have several floor plans that offer options where you can have a larger suite with its own separate bathroom kind of tucked in towards the side of the home for more privacy. This is a bedroom, but here we feature our green room, which is where we show the quality of David Weekley and the behind the walls and what makes us different. We're using 2x6 exterior walls. Another great feature of our homes is the Lowy windows, double pane. They reject 70% of the heat. And our homes come with a 3-year platinum limited heating and cooling guarantee. And this is address specific to your home, and this is a certificate that you will get at closing with every David Weekley home.
And I'm glad you're mentioning that because it's so funny. Outside, it's such a beautiful day, and it is very hot, but the minute you come in this house, you do feel a cooling temperature. And so I think that's important to talk about the windows and talk about the build quality of a David Weekley home. Hey, let's show this, Carlin. I don't want to miss that. Yes. Look at this. A wonderful hall closet, but it's very deep. So there's so much you can do in here for storage. So thank you for showing that. All right, let's go into the wow, everyone. Terry, this is why honestly, this floor plan is my favorite right now.
It's a beautiful open concept to this floor plan where you have a sunroom with beautiful open windows. As you can see, the gorgeous view outside where you can see towards the preserve or water home site. And by the way, we have most of the home sites in the colony are water or preserve view. So this is some of the views that you will have in your backyard. This home has sliding glass door option where you can have even a bigger open space there. And if you can point towards the kitchen, you can see the nice extended island. And some of the options and features that David Weekley has to offer is that you can customize your kitchen. You can see here how we have a 2-tone kitchen. Those are some of the features that we offer at the Design Center where you can customize your home and make it your own.
I love that. And then Carly, can you show real quick, if you'll back up just a little bit with this island, when Terry's talking about the customization, look at this.
Oh, wow.
How on this side of the island, all the way down, by the way, they've put cabinets. So there's so much storage in this kitchen, which I love, but yet it's hidden. It's not just cabinets on the walls like a traditional kitchen.
Yeah.
So I promise you plenty storage and also plenty of counter space. So if you're that great chef, this is going to be your entertaining home, your cooking home to showcase your fabulous food.
Absolutely, and as you're cooking, you can see straight into the outside. You have the beautiful prep space here in the island, which could also be used as a serving area in the home. But just look at the view.
I can't get over the view. And that's another thing. I want to remind people, again, we are at the Colony at 20 Mile here in Nocatee. We are in St. Johns County. And with the Colony, it is a peaceful neighborhood where so many of the lots are water and preserve views, just like Terry said. So you've got to come out today because this community is going to sell out quick.
It is selling out quickly. We have now around 7 home sites to build on available in our 70-foot home sites, and we still have available in the 60s as well. And 1 and 2 story plans available here. 4 design it yourself plans. We talked about that in the past, how David Weekley has the design it yourself plans that you can customize and make it your own.
I'm glad you mentioned that. And also, David Weekley Homes does a great job when it comes to quick move-ins and what they have available. They always bring the Nocatee Welcome Center pieces of paper that show what they have listed, so you can stop in the Welcome Center, but also you can go to Pinterest, and on Pinterest you'll be able to see all the quick move-ins available through the Nocatee sales page, which is very important. And I also want to remind people that all of David Weekley Homes' floor plans for the Colony at 20 Mile can be found online at Nocatee.com. That's very important. So David Weekley Homes really is doing all they can to give you the tools to find your perfect home here in Nocatee, in the Colony specifically.
Yes, and also we have video tours available of our quick move-in homes.
Thank you.
So if anyone is interested in a quick move-in homes, you can visit davidweekleyhomes.com. You will see the quick delivery homes available, and you'll find pictures and also a 360 tour of the home as well.
I hope that's you doing them, Terry. Okay, so you're going to go into this side
Oh,
room
yes.
here.
I want to do this before the master.
Yeah, I didn't want you to miss it. So you'll come in off the garage right here, which will be on your left. We won't open it because that's their sales center. And how many car garages is this one? Is this 2-car tandem?
This is a 3-car tandem.
3-car tandem.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so that's another thing, everyone. This 1-story home, which is magnificent, has a 3-car plus tandem garage, which is huge. And again, this bedroom, by the way, we're on the opposite side of the house. It's very quiet over in this space. So this could also be for your teenager or your guest room if you do have
Absolutely.
guests, because I do like that it's private.
Yes, it offers a lot of privacy with its own bathroom inside the bedroom, and like you said, it's tucked in towards the side of the home.
Yeah, really nice. I love this.
And if you can see the tray ceiling as well, this is part of the features in the home, that you have a nice open tray ceiling that extends all the way to the dining area, so it even gives it a more open feel to the floor plan to have the larger ceiling in the family room dining area as well.
I love this. And the Colony, everyone, I want to remind you that the Colony has its own park. It is called the Colony Park. It is in this neighborhood. It has a great kids playground, a dog park, an open air pavilion. It is a truly cute but really great park. But also, everyone, we are a golf cart away and a bike ride away from 20 Mile Post. And this dog park specifically there is so famous in Nocatee because it has the agility course separate from the small dogs and the large dogs. So that's another great feature if you're a dog owner living here in the Colony.
Absolutely, and I want to point out the view from your master. If you see where the bed is located, look at the view out from your master bedroom windows. This is amazing. It's a beautiful,
It really is.
breathtaking view from here, and you can see the double doors walking into your master. It gives you that grand feel, as well as the master bath also has the double doors going into the master bath.
Oh, I love this. Just beautiful.
Wow.
And look at that shower. Are you kidding me? And then we've got the double sinks. We've got a great linen closet, by the way. We do have a linen closet right behind you, Carly.
Oh.
I just want to show, again, it's always great to have one.
Tons of closet space throughout the home. And I also want to point out that this home does come with its super shower, but we also have tub and shower options in our floor plans. Our super showers are very popular, and we feature those in the model. So this is part of the features of this home is the super shower.
I like that you showed it without the tub, but yet you're reminding people that if you do want that tub, you can easily do it.
Absolutely.
Which is terrific. And this closet is great. You walk in, first of all, I pointed out to Terry earlier, I love that they didn't put doors here, but of course, please know you can. But it wraps around. So Carlin, just do the, it's going, it's going, keep going around. It just goes around. I just love that. Woo! But a big, big closet. So plenty of space in here. And again, it's endless what you can do because they only put a few different wire racks in here, but you can really customize this closet.
Yes, and some of our features that we offer are listed on our floor plans. So if you go to davidweekleyhomes.com, you'll be able to also see the floor plans and see the options that are available, like the tub, the shower, the bonus room, and the many different options that we have per plan. And these are options that we've already thought of and buyers normally look for. So we already have preset options in our website available for you to see as well.
So again, David Weekley Homes, you've got to go.com, by the way. But I want everyone to come visit Terry with David Weekley Homes here at the Colony at 20 Mile. This community really is magnificent. It's peaceful, preserve lots, water lots. Endless what you can do inside the home. The energy saver, the 3-year warranty. And what's the square footage and model we're in?
This home is 2,820 total square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with the bonus room option.
Okay, I want one. So whoever wants to buy me one, feel free, because I want this house. It really is a great house, Terry.
It's a beautiful home.
Thank you for always taking us in. I've got Carly behind the camera, the beautiful Terry. I'm Heather. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.